Hello everyone, my name is Victor Alexander Pulgar Montoya and my partner is Javier Esteban Lopez, or my partner. Today we are going to explore about sound, voice and unvoiced sound. We are going to see and we are going to watch about why they work, how is this, what kind of words, characters, identify, whatever, right? So now, what are voice and unvoiced sounds? Voice sounds, they produce a vibration in the vocal cords, right? That is a voice sound. And now, unvoiced sounds, they don't produce vocal cord vibration. Right, so with this we are going to start with voice sound. Right, first, the trust test. Now, place your hand or your fingers on your throat while you are pronouncing sounds to feel the vibration. If you feel the vibration in your throat, there is a voice sound. Second, vibrations. Sounds that cause your vocal cords to vibrate are considered voiced. If you feel a vibration in your throat, that is a voice sound, right? So now, vowels. All the vowels are voiced because they produce vibration in the vocal cords. With this, all the vowels are voice sounds, right? So like e, I, O, U. All the vowels are voice sound. Right. Now we are going to start with the vowel sounds. Now in this we are going to talk about food. Different kind of food, what is the voice and unvoiced sounds about the food, right? Food, sorry. Let's start with uh uh apple, apple, e, 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 egg, egg, e, 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 ice cream, ice cream, o, 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 orange, oo, oo, oo. Oh, done. Right. These are the vowels we are considered voice sound. Now we are going to talk about the consonant sound, the vowel consonant sounds about food. Right. Let's start with b, 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 beans, beans, d, 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 donut, donut, j, 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 grape, grape, b, 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 vinegar, vinegar. Right. These are about food. Now, we wanted to talk about the voice consonant sounds about cutlery, like mm, mm, knife, knife, mm, 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 mach, mach. Right, with this we are going to talk about the characteristics of voice sounds. Right, so first, vocal cord vibration. Voice sounds are produced with vibration of the vocal cords, right? So how I told you before, if you touch your throat, you will feel a vibration. There is a voice sound, right? With this example. 2. Longer duration. Voice sounds tend to be longer in duration compared to unvoiced sound. For example, mm, 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 whatever, right? So with this, third, higher speech. The vibration of the vocal cords voice sounds create a higher pitch. Right. So, with this was about the voice sounds. Now we are going to talk about an unvoiced sounds, and with this, with my partner, will continue with this exercise. Right. So we are going.
Hello, everyone. My name is Javier Esteban Lopez Diaz. I'm an English teacher in this class. So, my my partner Victor talk about a voice sound. In this case, I talking about in unvoiced sound. So, unvoiced sound is a topic important and interesting in whatever class. In the elementary school is important, very important, because the students apply the this structure and improve the phonetic and fluency, translate and pronunciation, a good pronunciation about whatever topic. In this case, food. We are the class I talking about is the food, mm, protein, beverage, mm, mm, the carbohydrates, um, and daily food and other kind of food I consider important with the class. So, unvoiced sounds has three characteristics, special three characteristics. For example, no vocal in the chordal vibration. The second is and the unvoiced sound are produced without vibration of the vocal cords. The second is mostly consonants. For example, the majority of the letters of the unvoiced sounds are consonants, such as letter P, with your sound is the letter on or consonant T, your sound is sound K, your sound is K. Listen to me and repeat. Another sound, the consonant sound, is F, 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 f. And finally, the sound and consonant sound is a unvoiced consonant sound is letter S. S, 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 s. If you look at me, you that is the sound is less vibration and the chordal vibration and the producing a vocal chords is on sound more specific. Your correct sound is the unvoiced sound in the consonant. For example, in the topic is the food. Example, the sound consonant is s, s, is an unvoiced consonant sound. For example, the food is so, so. I like a sopa. So, so. Is the correct sounds. Your pause. You look at the pause. So look at this picture. Our topic is food. Yes, food. And you can, yes, you can see beverage and vegetables and fruits and starch and proteins. Yes, in this poster, you can see almost kind of types, kind of different food. In this class, you emphasize in the main topic and the voice sound and unvoiced sound. For example, unvoiced consonant sound, letter T, 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 tomato, tomato, tomato. Another example is T, T, T in the beverage, the category beverage, like a tea, is K, K, K. For example, carrot, carrot in fruits, excuse me, in the vegetables, carrot, zanahoria. In the Y sound, the consonant spinach, 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 another vegetable in the spinach. For example, and Y sound, pork, pork, like cerdo. Yes, if the animal is pig, pig, and the food is pork, is the different meal. You can see the letter and by sound key, key, key is a for kiwi, kiwi is a common fruit in this area rural and the north of the department, the Valle del Cauca department. Kiwi is a delicious fruit, is citrus fruit. So you finish the class with this part of the class and voice sound. I keep takeaways of the different sounds. I way. Espero que haya quedado clara la clase del día de hoy. Quise hacer algo ilustrativo para lograr la comprensión del estudiante. This part in Spanish for the my students, you understand, I understand um, mm, the the idea of the class is algo something say, specific and correct pronunciation. Yes, the disposer. Yes, you can see again are very illustrative. No more for day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.